30, yes! Still going as well.
Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing okay. Today I'm gonna go out and do something that I haven't done for a little while, that I love doing, and normally it's obviously windy or yeah, the weather's rubbish. So let me know what you think it is in the comments down below. And it involves going out on an e-bike as well. So I'm going to take my favourite e-bike of the moment, which is the Bezier, I think it's XF001, I don't know. It looks a bit like a Super 73.
This basically, look, I did get the XF001 right. I don't know, I remember all these bike part numbers. Anyway, absolutely loving this at the moment. Even me and Helen sometimes go on it together because can't be bothered to get another bike actually, just sits on the back. It's amazing. Because it's got these little foot pegs. Although the thing about these foot pegs is they're not actually the right way round. They should have really done that the other way round, because when you're on it, obviously your feet naturally want to go backwards. So they should have had them turn round. Because when you're on it, you're just constantly pushing them back, which isn't good. I might have to do a little mod. Oh, that's not good. The chain come off the front sprocket and it's busted the protector. Ridiculous. Just have to break the rest of it off. Wonder if it'll get up that hill. Oh no! It's not gonna do it. Not quite enough power. I need to stick a bigger motor kit on this, I think. Definitely. It could do with a few mods, this thing. The other thing about this bike is it does need a better front light mount, because it does rattle around a little bit. But other than that, like, it is a really good bike. Other than the fact I've just broken it, but never mind. So yeah guys, lovely little flat around the woods. I've got all the stage 2 hardware now for the car. Can you hear this rattling? So yeah, I've got all the stage 2 hardware to go on. I've got the intercooler, I've got the downpipe, obviously you've seen that. So basically I've got all of the gear to go on. I'm just waiting on some hoses. Got silicone hoses to go on. Tuning's booked for next week. Sorry, next week, Monday week. And yeah, so literally I'm really excited to see what this car's going to do, you know. Some people have told me around 400 horsepower, maybe more than, you know, they conservative quotes are like 350 horsepower. It's going to be rapid. It's going to be absolutely rapid. Bridging the gap until I can, you know, do something quick electric, which ultimately I do want to get into sort of electric tuning on the car side. Do I want to go around there? No, let's go this way. It's making me want to get the vapor back out again. It is wicked to rip around it, but this is more of a like sort of city slicker bike. Just rip around on. Yeah, so what do you reckon we're going to go and do then? It is a bit of an adrenaline rush and it should provide me with some good footage as well. So, okay, write in the comments what you think. I bet some of you are going to know. Man of many hobbies I am, aren't I? Flatting around. This has grown. This field has grown. I don't know what's going on with this weather. It was meant to be blue skies. Come on, little bike. 25, 27. Come on, you can do it. 30, yes. Still going as well. Oh, that's really sketchy. Right, here's my little cut through. That's it, you've guessed it. I'm gonna fly some drones. So this isn't a sponsored video or anything, this is one of my little favourite drones that I love to fly. Little iFlight, I can't even remember what it is actually now. But yeah, basically super small, super quick. A lot of fun, got to keep you on your toes. So yeah, we'll have a rip, hopefully we won't lose it in that corn. And we're of course flying line of sight. Right then, it's been a while. Oh, so quick. When you haven't flown FPV drones for a while, it is literally like the best thing ever. I'm not even in acro mode at the moment, I'm in normal mode. Oh, it's so good. Compared to sort of flying some of these kind of, like some of the free drones that I get sent, like it's ridiculous. It just feels so like on rails. It's surprising how you don't kind of lose it though, like you don't lose the, oh, so that is absolutely screaming. Yeah. Do one battery like this, and then I think I'll move up. Look at that, right, signal. Through there. Oh! That was close. Right, let's get you into acro mode. Wowzers. It is quite windy, but this thing's just holding up absolutely fine. Whoa. So you don't get much flight time with these sort of drones because you know, they are pushing the boundaries, pushing the limits of everything. So these little batteries, I'm talking like, you know, basically for people that don't really know. Oh shit. I'm lost. Oh no, hang on. I literally thought I'd lost it then. Right, okay. Let's get you back, and then drop. Whoa, it's an adrenaline rush every time. And like, you don't land these things properly either, you just literally cut the power and then that's that. So cool, I absolutely love it, absolutely love it. I lost myself for a minute though. I was like, oh, I wonder if I'm going to get this back. See, the thing about these drones as well is they are pretty cheap. I mean, the gear inside isn't cheap, but I mean, it's probably about 250 quid all up for all of that, which sounds like quite a lot, but just for that actual drone, the controller is obviously more, but once you've got the controller, you've got it. It's not a problem. You can just, you know, keep buying drones. It's addictive. This is obviously digital, that's why it's so expensive, but I mean, you can build for a lot cheaper than you can buy. I think this was about 250, something like that, 250 quid. So, you know, you're not going to want to lose it. But if something does break, you can replace most of the bits on here, like the props and the motors, everything else. And obviously the camera system, the DJI camera system on here is probably the most expensive bit. Everything else is pretty cheap. That was telling me I've got my my throttle controls up when I tried to arm it. That seems faster. Must be going with the wind. It's windy, it's not ideal, as I say, but right, into acro. I'm getting a voltage alarm. Maybe this LiPo pack's not that great, I don't know. Show me. Better come in just to be on the safe side. Love it. See, the great thing about this as well is you've got a, I've disarmed it now. I've set a button on here on the side that literally triggers the bleeper, so you can hear it. So if you lose it, you can literally just press a button on the side and go and find it. And it's quite a loud one as well. It's quite a loud bleeper. There you go, guys. What a blast! Carry on my little bike ride now. That woke me out, that flying. Sometimes I feel a bit kind of meh, you know, can't get going. Something with an adrenaline rush always never fails to actually get me kind of going. I suppose obviously it would, wouldn't it? But yeah, it's weird. It's kind of a bit of a strange thing though, because you feel like when you get addicted to that. I don't know if anyone else kind of feels that, just want that dopamine rush, whatever it comes from. This is great down here. Trouble is, if I come off, no one's going to find me for a long time probably. Why is there loads of cars in? Yeah, it is, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, no, good.
It really a small fortune though, didn't it?
Well, I do reviews on them, so I've got a YouTube channel and do those, so they send them and stuff here, which is quite lucky.
Nice.
But yeah, it's a bit of a beast, this one. It's really good. But,
I like the ones with the petrol tanks and that.
Yeah, that's it. This kind of like on the way to that, but you know, they've obviously done like a long seat on this one instead of a nice chat. And they're doing some BBC filming, which is quite interesting.